Hey, sixth graders. This week is week of May 10th through 14th, and we're going to be working on section 1.5 and then starting section 1.6. We have Google Meets on Monday and Wednesday, as always. So we're going to start out on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to be looking at solids, liquids, and gases. So you're going to start out by watching this video. Okay, on solids, liquids, and gases. Then you're going to start on this frozen frogs activity. We're going to start it on Monday and finish it on Tuesday. So if we click on that, it walks you through a bunch of different activities where you're going to be looking at a type of frog who technically freezes in the winter. So if you make a copy of this document here, if you're in class, I will give you a paper copy of this document. And this paper actually has all of the links on it as well. So it might be easier if you're a distance learner just to kind of go through the links on here. Or you can go back to the site and you can use the things that are embedded on here. All right. So the first thing is you're going to watch this video clip and answer your questions or answer the questions and then watch it again. It's a really short video. The second part is doing this PhET simulation. And so you are going to open that. And then it tells you exactly what to do. So you're going to click on the states icon, change the temperature from Kelvin to Celsius. So states. And then we're going to change from Kelvin to Celsius right here. All right. Then it tells us to change in the atoms and molecules chart, choose water. Click on the solid button. How do water molecules behave? So we're going to make sure we're on water over here and click on solid. And so we're looking at how those molecules behave. And then it says sketch or draw as best as you can or screenshot the arrangement of the solid water molecules in the appropriate box. So here's solid, you'd put that here. Okay. Then it says record the temperature at which water is solid in the next box. And then describe the motion of the particles. Okay. So that's what you're going to do for this. The temperature is listed up here, and then you're going to go through liquid and gas and do the same thing. Then it has you changing the temperature. So it says make sure that you click on solid, raise the level towards heat, and we're going to look at how that changes the behavior of the water molecules. Okay, so that's this button down here, and I'm not going to do it because you'll be able to see what happens then. And then lower it towards cool and see how that changes the water molecules. Then you'll answer this question. Part 3, comparing the freezing points of substances. You're going to watch this video and you're going to record the state of matter at each. So at 0 hours, what is the temperature? What is the state of matter? This is with the water only. And this is with the water and sugar bag. Sometimes it might be kind of part liquid, part solid, and that's okay. You can record that. And you're going to do that at each of the time periods. And the video stops at each of those, or it says the time period at each of those. Then you're going to create a graph, okay, of the data that you found in this video right here. Okay. You can you can draw it on a sheet of paper, and then you can screenshot it into this document if you prefer to do that. Let's read the directions there. Then there are some reflection questions. And then finally, it says label on the image where you think the listed terms can be seen. And this might be kind of hard for distance learning, so just go ahead and make sure you can explain where each of them are. And then you have a couple more questions. For the extended, it says try the experiment at home with water and another solution. What do you think will happen and what did happen? If you can do that, go ahead, but you definitely don't have to. That's kind of an optional one. All right, so that is going to be your activity for Monday and then finishing that up on Tuesday. Then you're going to have some states of matter practice right here. You're going to make a copy of the document and follow the directions on each slide and submit it when you're done. We've done these before. They're drag and drop. documents. Takes a little bit to load. All right, so draw a line to the correct definition. So to draw a line, you can go up here and insert a line. Okay. Second one, you are dragging the boxes, the images, and all of these into the correct column. We didn't talk a whole lot about plasma, but anything that doesn't fit into solid, liquid, or gas would go into plasma. And then on the last one, you're drawing a line to the correct definition. Okay. Then submit that once you are finished. Wednesday, we're going to do a review game. This link, so we'll write our summary, do the review game. This link brings you to the independent Blue-Kit. If you're at the live Google Meet, we'll do it live in class. And then we have a quick check. On Thursday, you're going to do some notes from the slideshow. Now we're moving into 1.6, which is changes in state of matter. So you'll make your copy of the notes, use the slideshow below to fill in the notes, and then submit a copy of your notes over here. And then complete the lesson review. You can take a picture of it and submit it if you are a distance learner. If you are not a distance learner, then you will show me in class. And then on Friday, there's digital lesson 1.6, and everyone, distance learners and in-class learners, we will submit that one online. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful week.